So what's up everyone and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect domain to Hostinger email. So firstly, in Hostinger, open emails, manage, then connect apps and devices, then copy your POP3 and SMTP server details. Now go to Gmail, then head to settings, accounts and import, then check mail from the other accounts, then select add a mail account. Enter your Hostinger mail, choose POP3 and enter the Hostinger server details. For example, the POP3 server is pop.hostinger.com with port 995 and SSL enabled. To send emails from Gmail using your Hostinger address, add it under send mail as. Then use smtp.hostinger.com, port 465 with SSL, then confirm the verification email. And that's it. You can now receive and send your Hostinger email directly through Gmail. If this tutorial was helpful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. I will see you on the next one.